How to install BlackPlayer on Android. BlackPlayer is a free MP3 music player that plays local content. Highly customizable, smooth, and snappy with modern minimalistic material design. Beautiful, tasteful animation through the interface. Let's install the app. First, we need to go to Google Play, so open Google Play. On the search above, write BlackPlayer. Now tap on Search. After you have found the app, tap on Install and wait. You have now installed BlackPlayer on your Android. After the install is complete, just tap on Open. Tap on Grant Permission. Tap Allow BlackPlayer to access photos, media, and files. Now you will be able to play audio files. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.